Hello, another Maker advert, and this one is a little bit different because we're going to do part of a project. I want us to do it all in one video. Time is not allowing, unfortunately. I've got priorities with work and also stuff to do because apparently it's nearly Christmas. Who knew? So on the bench you can see the Arduino Uno Mini is back. It was in a video last week, I do believe. I'll put a link up there. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. You would have seen the video yesterday if you're an avid viewer, and thank you if you are. All, 11 or 12 of you I think there are. Thank you. Appreciate it. Not being serious. You'd have seen the star yesterday that I was taking apart and showing how it works, and I wanted to use something like a 555 or an ATtiny85 to control the star, and I thought an ATtiny85 would be ideal. One, there's 5 output pins on it and there's 5 LEDs on that star, or there will be when I put the LEDs in. 2, I like ATtiny85s, they're really cool little microcontrollers. And 3, it gives me an excuse to buy something else from Amazon to build something. So, forget about these for the moment. In the centre of the screen, or just below centre, is the Arduino Uno Mini. It's fun, it's useful. I did it for a bit of novelty this way, to be honest. I wouldn't use it for a proper project really. It is quite tight to get the pins in there, but anyway, I'm digressing and being negative. Let's be positive a second. I've programmed this ATtiny85 using that Arduino by setting up as an in-series programmer, ISP. So if I go to the Arduino software, I've got a blink sketch here ready to go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to flash that to the ATtiny85 here. I'm going to change it slightly so it's quicker. Right now it's a second on, second off, and it's controlling pin 0 to turn the LED on and off. What I'm going to do is set it to 100, which is a tenth of a second. So if I go to the blink sketch now and change the delay to 100. Sorry if I sound a bit laboured, I'm having to look over all the filming equipment so I can get to the screen. Yeah, the secrets of YouTube. You can see bottom right of the Arduino IDE, it says ATtiny254585. It's been set up to program those boards. They run at 8 MHz and I've got it connected via the Arduino on COM port 45. I'm just going to check my code now. Bingo, we're good there. And I'm going to flash the code on. And it's saying it's uploading, done. That's it, finished. So the Arduino Mega flashed on for a bit here and there, but it's done with now. So now pin 0 is flashing. It's going on and off rapidly once every, well, tenth of a second. So I know pin 0 is the bottom right pin. That's why I've chosen it. There's method in my madness. I'm going to take out what I don't need. Which are these two? I'm going to take out the white pin there as well. That's pin 0. I've got a spare one here. Same colour as well. It's like I planned this. Put it into pin 0. So now to the Arduino all there are is a power and ground connection. Bingo. So I can do my Arduino code on this ATtiny85, have it blinking lights, doing chase sequences, whatever I fancy, and I've got plenty of pins, and it's all from that tiny little chip there. Feed it 5 volts, it's happy. 5 volts is easy. I've got tons of branded USB power banks available in no shops whatsoever because it's a sticker. So the idea is now, let's go back to the main camera so you can, well, I can see it, that's a bit better. That's done for novelty, bit of fun. Okay, I'm going to use the original Arduino I got in 2010, I think it was. Did I say 2010? Could be. And I bought from Amazon some adapters, some shields. Watch out for the click. There we go. And rustle. I'm going to build a little programmer board that fits on top. Let's get the right way around. There it is. That fits on top of here. And he reaches in to his secret drawer of wonderful toys, which for some reason he put away. Why did I do that? I have no idea. I'm going to pop one of these in the centre so I can just plonk that shield on, set it up as an ISP, and away we go. So this is the first part. We're at 5 minutes now. That's nice, nice round number. going to stop it here, I'm going to solder that up, and tomorrow I'm going to show you me flashing that chip on top of the Arduino to get 6 LEDs to make something cool. Anyway, thanks.